Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling Dylan, and today we got another brand new unboxing for you. Alright guys, before we get started in today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and do not forget to ring that bell, so every time I upload one of these videos, you're going to get notified. And with all that being said guys, let us get right into today's video. So today I am bringing you one out of the two of the New Balance Joe Freshgood 990 V6 pack, the Prom to Paris. So there are two shoes part of this pack. First up that we're going to be doing today is this guy right here. This is the Prom Blue colorway. And the second one that we will be doing in a separate video is going to be these right here, which are the Paris Red guys. So that's going to be in the very next video, so make sure you guys are stay tuned if you want to check out this unboxing and review. Also, ladies and gentlemen, before I dive into this unboxing and review, I am just going to be touching on the shoe as a whole. And I'm not going to be diving in super deep into the history about the Joe Freshgood and this collab in general, strictly because I will not do it as good as justice as my man Sneaker Fetish did over on Twitter. And also, I believe maybe he dropped a YouTube video about this as well. But I will link him down below in the description. You know, I don't know him personally, but I did see his video over on Twitter. And the dude cooked. I mean, he went fully in depth on these things and did it extremely good justice. And I'm not going to be able to do that, right? So he touched on literally everything, all the little hidden Easter eggs, so on and so forth within this collab. So if you want to check that out, make sure you guys go over on Twitter. It's Sneaker Fetish, and then just go follow him. So first off, going over to the box, I do really like this hit. So the red pair also has the same thing. It's a transition and or fading box, right? So you have the blue, it looks like on this side, as you're going to be seeing from the camera, left to right, and then it goes into this like white. So it goes from that nice blue color and it fades to white. So I really do like that detail over on the box. Like I said, nice little special box we got with these guys. You're going to get the Joe Freshgood branding over on the little side right here. So the JFG, if you could tell right there, as well as over on this side of the box as well. Now, another little Easter egg is it's going to say made for us, right? So usually it says on all the New Balance, you're going to also note that on the back of the heel tab as well, but it usually says made in USA. And with this specific collab, it does say made for us. Joe Freshgood did want to incorporate that. So size tag reads, it is the 990 V6. I got an 11.5 because New Balance for me, all the models fit really true to size. You know, I wouldn't recommend sizing down or sizing up on New Balances. For the most part, they fit pretty perfect in that true to size form. Inside the box, you're also going to get this inside of the print right here. It says, with over 75 years of authentic American craftsmanship, New Balance made in USA is designed without compromise. This pair represents our unwavering commitment to those who walk their own path. So look at check that out on the inside underneath the lid. And then also inside you're going to get some special paper. It's going to have the Joe Freshgood branding as well as made for us and the New Balance logo. Hopefully you're able to tell that on the camera. And overall guys, this particular color is phenomenal. Okay, I think this is my favorite out of the pack, but I'm also just a sucker for this color blue. If you like red obviously better, you're going to like the red pair, but I think this color just absolutely slaps. Super clean, premium suedes on these guys. I mean, we're talking about a really nice collab here, guys. I know some people are going to say, it's just an all-over blue sneaker, right? You know, what's so special about it? It's just the details of these guys, the premium materials, and, you know, it's a Joe Freshgood. How can you possibly go wrong with the Joe Freshgood? The guy does not miss. He really does. And I love all of his New Balance collabs personally. And I'm starting to stockpile some of them in my collection. So first thing to note, you're going to get this little tab right here, the little New Balance tab. And then it's going to say, New Balance made U.S. footwear contains a domestic value of 70% or more. Made makes up a limited portion of New Balance U.S. sales. It says New Balance made in USA. So I don't know if you'll be able to tell that, you know, on the camera, if it's going to focus or not, but it is right there. Yeah, guys, like I said, pretty simple shoe, but just a premium shoe. So let's just go off the little hits right here, okay? So on the tongue, it's going to say Joe Freshgoods. It is going to be in this nice little patch right here. I don't know what this material is. Is that suede in there too? Might be also suede inside of it as well, but well, maybe it actually feels more of like a felt. It says Joe Freshgoods with the New Balance logo right on the tongue right there. Nice tongue, like a nice mesh tongue, and then this material is really light and durable. So really cool, man. And this freaking powder blue, this prom blue colorway, God, is this a beautiful, beautiful color. It really is. It's like, it reminds me of like, you know, the North Carolina or the UNC colors that Jordan comes out with, but this thing is so vibrant. It really, I don't know if this camera's going to do it justice, but man, is that such a nice color. I just can't get over how good it looks. So there's the first Joe Freshgood hit. Also on the back of the heel tab, on the little TPU port, it's going to say, you know, they have the logo, JFG logo in the circle. And then, like I said, it's going to say made for us. So right there on the back of the heel, it's going to be like the same way on both shoes right there. So made for us right there. Really nice. Like I said, premium details, guys. You're also going to get the little 990 patch over here on that suede. You can tell right there. I'm also noticing too, guys, like as far as craftsmanship and quality control, I mean, maybe there's a couple little bit of glue stains, but guys, like I've been noticing the more New Balances that I've been picking up, right? Like the quality and craftsmanship of these things, bar none, so much more superior to like Nike and Jordan Brand, right? I love Nikes. Don't get me wrong. All of the sneakers in my collections practically are all Nike and Jordan Brand. I can't get enough. I love it. But I'm just pointing out, guys, like the quality and craftsmanship from these New Balance collabs, especially, man, I mean, I'm just gonna have to say, like, Nike, you gotta have to step up your game a little bit, guys. Like, man, some of these things are bangers, guys. Like, the quality is really just something unreal. So I'm just being honest. I'm just pointing it out for you guys. I don't know if you guys are New Balance fans, but if you are, you can't go wrong with picking up at least one pair in your collection. Super lightweight, right? Most of the models are very comfortable. I don't know what kind of technology. Let's see. We got some fuel cell technology in these guys. Also have the little endurance, you know, outsole right here as well, if you guys can tell. But they're just so comfortable. Thick insoles too. Let me just show you this insole real quick. See if I can take it out. Yeah, I can take it out. Nice thick insole. And this is going to be the same as the box. So you're going to start off with the white by the heel. And as you move up towards the shoe, it's going to transition to that nice blue. And it just says Joe Freshgoods right there. So nice insole right here, ladies and gentlemen. Really nice insole. Thick insole, as you could tell, like from just looking at it at this angle. It's really thick. You know, it really kind of like cups your foot and your heel right there, making these things even more comfortable than what they already are. Comes with just your standard traditional paper as well. No like shoe trees or anything, and no extra laces. But they do come laced with these guys right here. Just that nice, you know, powder blue, prom blue color right there. Beautiful, nice touch. I wouldn't really want to put any extra laces or any different lace colors in these things anyway. I think that all over prom blue color is just outstanding. Yeah, guys, like I said, I mean, really nice materials. You're going to get this all over prom blue suede up towards the back of the heel, around the medial side, as far as up at the front of the toe box. You're also going to get this really nice mesh, this really durable mesh. I mean, it's like a tighter knit mesh as well. I don't know if that's more premium or not, but just something to note. Really nice mesh. You're going to get the little tab right here, the 990 V6 tab up at the top of the first lace for the laces right there. Really nice hit like that, how it pops off the shoe. And then your New Balance logo is going to be on the side in this, I don't know, it's like more like a rubbery texture, but yeah, New Balance logo right there on the inside, and then on the lateral part of the sneaker as well. Big chunky midsole on these guys. Like I said, these things are pretty darn comfortable. You got the end cap technology on the back, as well as, you know, down here below on the midsole. And like I said, I already pointed out that outsole. Really nice clean outsole. But yeah, guys, overall, I'm digging New Balance. I'm loving the collaboration with New Balance and Joe Freshgoods. I plan on just stockpiling most of his collaborations. I do know some of them are super expensive, but also some of them, apparently, according to him, because he did post a tweet, if I could find it, I'll put it up on the inside the video as well. But I don't know how I feel about trying to pick up his shoes on the resale market, StockX or GOAT. I mean, I haven't had any problems with using a GOAT before. I know other people's experiences vary, but I just don't know if I'm super comfortable snagging a pair and it ends up being faked. You know what I mean? I just, I don't want to end up ever having to deal with a situation like that. But yeah, guys, I love his collabs. Bunch of freaking dope New Balances coming down the pipeline as well with other, you know, collaborators like Salehi Bembury. You got more Action Bronson's going to be coming out soon as well. And so on and so forth, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, guys, this was the Prom Blue pair. Like I said, I will have the Paris Reds coming up very soon. Very dope collaboration. You know, go check out his official social media pages as well, so you get more of that backstory on these guys. But yeah, I mean, I love them. I absolutely am super stoked on this colorway in particular. Really simple, but also really classic, guys. So let me know if you guys went for these things, and if you cop down below. Your boy was able to select these things on the raffle. I do know his website. The blue pair did sit for a little while. The red was immediately sold out, so I believe that one is going to be raffle exclusive. So if you were able to pick them up, congrats to you. And they're all sold out now, so if you wanted them, they're not going crazy on the resale market right now. Pretty much just a little bit above retail. You got to remember, these things were retailed for $220. So a little expensive, but when you look at the quality, it does make sense. Also with the collab. And Joe Freshgood is known for premium quality products. So, you know, it does kind of make sense, but they're pretty much going for like $240, $250. So not much over retail. So if you want them, you should be able to go pick them up on one of the aftermarket sites for not that much over retail. Let me know what you guys think about these things down below in the comments section. Are you guys New Balance fans? Are you not? Did you like this collaboration? Did you go for them? Did you not? Let me know all that good stuff down below. Again, ladies and gentlemen, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. And do not forget to ring that bell, so every time I upload one of these videos, you're going to get notified. And that's going to do it for me today, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill, me, and the Prom Blue Joe Freshgood New Balance 990 V6. We're out. Peace.